Hello, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel, Tips Home Life. Hope you all are doing well. Happy Ekadasi. Today's recipe is all about mango sago dessert. So mango sago is a popular dessert that originated in Hong Kong but became popular in many Asian countries including Vietnam. This is a refreshing and creamy dessert that combines mango, sago pearls and coconut milk. So let's make it. First, in a blender, add coconut milk, mango and 2 tablespoons sugar or honey, it's optional. Blend it till smooth. On the other side, start boiling water, add mango sago pearls, boil it for about 15 to 20 minutes, stir occasionally. And now, switch off the gas and cover it for another 15 minutes. And now, drain and rinse cooked sago pearls under the cold water. Now in a serving glass, layer cooked sago pearls, pour our coconut mango mixture and top with some mango chunks. Serve immediately and enjoy the mango sago dessert. Hope you like it and don't forget to like, share and comment. See you soon with another recipe. Till then, bye. Annyeong.